Let me show you how to create this text effect in Blender. Press Shift-A and add a text object. Press Tab, go Edit Mode, press Ctrl-A and type your text. Change the font to your preferred style in the Font tab. Increase the extrude to give depth to the text. Select the text, right-click, and choose Convert to Mesh. Go to Edit Mode, select each letter, press P and choose Separate Selection. Repeat for all letters. Select one letter, go to the Modifiers tab, add a Remesh modifier. Set the mode to Sharp and increase the octave depth for better resolution. Select all other letters, press Ctrl-L, and copy modifiers. Apply the Remesh modifier to each letter. Select all letters, right-click, and choose Join. Press Shift-A, Metaball, and add a ball. Go to the Particle System tab and add a new particle system. Set the particle type to hair, reduce the number, and adjust the length. In the Render section, set Render as to Object, then select the Metaball as the instance object. In the Children tab, select Interpolated, then increase Display Amount and Render Amount. Resize the Metaball and reduce the viewport resolution for better performance. Select the text cover, right-click, and choose Convert to Mesh. Finally, select the original text and delete it, leaving only the effect. Now your stylized text effect is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.